Hey guys, welcome to TechTube channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer ownership of a Discord server to someone. So in this case, you have to uh, click on your specific server you want to transfer like this. Then click on the server name on top. Then you will find here server settings. Click on server settings. Then scroll down, and at bottom you will find user management, and under the user management you will see members, this option. Click on members. Then just you can see here all of your existing server members here, bot including human, all of this. So now if you can see here the server is owning right now Mr. Green, which is crowned beside that. This person is server owner and always has all permission regardless of rules. So if you want to transfer this server, I mean ownership or anything, you can say like this. So what you can do is choose the person you want to transfer. Like I'm choosing this person to transfer the ownership. Then all you have to go here, this three dot icon beside that person's profile. You can see here, right? Three dot icon. Click on three dot icon and you'll find here transfer ownership, the red transfer ownership. Click on transfer ownership and it will ask for you the final warning. If you give the ownership, you will not have any authority in that server. Okay, so if you want to get back that server, you have to talk to that person in personally. So now if you want to give it to that person your ownership, server ownership, click on turn on this and just click on this transfer ownership. After clicking on transfer ownership, that guy will be the owner of that server. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this very helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.